Here is a beginner-level regulatory affairs manager quiz that covers clinical trials and evidence submission, labeling and packaging compliance, and liaison with regulatory authorities. Let's go. Question 1. What is the primary goal of a clinical trial? A. Increase brand visibility. B. Test product packaging. C. Evaluate safety and efficacy of a drug. And D. Analyze sales performance. Answer. Evaluate safety and efficacy of a drug. Question 2. Which application must be submitted to begin clinical trials in the US? A. NDA, B. IND, C. ANDA, and D. MAA. Answer. IND. Question 3. Which phase of clinical trials focuses primarily on safety and dosage in a small group of healthy volunteers? A. Phase 1, B. Phase 2, C. Phase 3, and D. Phase 4. Answer. Phase 1. Question 4. What does GCP stand for in the context of clinical trials? A. Good consumer practices, B. Global compliance policy, C. Good clinical practice, and D. General clinical protocol. Answer. Good clinical practice. Question 5. Which phase of clinical trials involves testing the drug in large patient populations to confirm effectiveness? A. Phase 1, B. Phase 2, C. Phase 3, and D. Phase 4. Answer. Phase 3. Question 6. Which document includes comprehensive results from a clinical study? A. Investigator's brochure, B. Clinical study report, C. Safety data sheet, and D. Regulatory dossier. Answer. Clinical study report. Question 7. Labeling compliance ensures A. Financial accuracy, B. Appropriate packaging size, C. Correct and legally approved information on product labels, and D. Manufacturer's profit margins. Answer. Correct and legally approved information on product labels. Question 8. Which regulatory authority enforces labeling requirements in the US? A. EMA, B. CDSCO, C. TGA, and D. FDA. Answer. FDA. Question 9. What information is typically included on a pharmaceutical label? A. Travel history of the patient, B. Drug name, dosage, indications and warnings, C. Company marketing strategy, and D. Drug manufacturing expenses. Answer. Drug name, dosage, indications and warnings. Question 10. What is a black box warning? A. A warning about international shipping, B. A packaging directive, C. The strictest warning by FDA about a serious or life-threatening risk, and D. A box used for product transport. Answer. The strictest warning by FDA about a serious or life-threatening risk. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which packaging component protects drugs from contamination and physical damage? A. Primary packaging, B. Carton design, C. Marketing insert, and D. Pricing label. Answer: primary packaging. Question 12. What must be submitted for any changes in labelling post-approval? A. Marketing proposal, B. Financial statement, C. Label variation application, and D. Sales strategy. Answer: label variation application. Question 13. Liaison with regulatory authorities involves A. Selling the drug directly to consumers, B. Submitting and managing product approvals and queries, C. Training company staff on branding, and D. Organising community events. Answer: submitting and managing product approvals and queries. Question 14. Which of the following is not a regulatory authority? A. FDA, B. EMA, C. CHU, and D. SEO. Answer: SEO. Question 15. Which document is typically submitted to the EMA for marketing authorization? A. IND, B. ANDA, C. MR, and D. NDA. Answer: MR. Question 16. What is the Indian regulatory body responsible for drug approvals? A. EMA, B. CDSCO, C. FDA, and D. ISO. Answer: CDSCO. Question 17. A regulatory authority may request a pre-approval inspection to A. Verify manufacturing site compliance, B. Analyze customer behavior, C. Study drug pricing strategies, and D. Approve advertisements. Answer: verify manufacturing site compliance. Question 18. Which role is responsible for communication between a pharmaceutical company and regulatory bodies? A. Brand manager, B. Quality inspector, C. Regulatory affairs manager, and D. Legal advisor. Answer: regulatory affairs manager. Question 19. Why is timely response to regulatory authority queries important? A. To avoid price fluctuations, B. To speed up marketing approval, C. To promote online visibility, and D. To ensure discounts. Answer: to speed up marketing approval. Question 20. What is the main goal of interacting with global regulatory authorities? A. To create packaging designs, B. To gather competitor intelligence, C. To promote brand loyalty, and D. To ensure compliance and gain market authorization. Answer: to ensure compliance and gain market authorization. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.